I was never involved in infidelity or domestic violence. Bolanle Ninalowo set the record straight about his divorce. Welcome to Sumi Crown TV. Please do well to click on subscribe, express yourself in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up like. Nollywood actor Bolanle Ninalowo has set the record straight over his divorce from wife Bimpe. The movie star, in an interview with TVC Your View, stated that contrary to rumors that he had cheated on his wife, he never did, and he never physically assaulted his wife. He noted how no one knew of his wife till he started celebrating her on social media, and then she became a star. He added that when he meets another woman tomorrow and he falls in love with her, he will do the same thing he did for his ex, as he is a lover. You can't wear a mask for 6 months, not to talk of 5 or 6 years. If you have a woman, any kind of woman in today's world, where people must be heard, a woman as beautiful that you saw me celebrating. First of all, none of you guys knew that woman until I brought her out to celebrate her. Everything you celebrate today is of me celebrating a woman. She is not a star. She became a star through me, through my love. So get that fact very clear. When I meet another woman tomorrow and I fall in love with her, I will do exactly the same thing. I'm a lover. Elsewhere in the interview, he revealed that he does not consider his ex-wife a mistake in his life, or as their relationship was divine. Complimenting himself, he noted how one can't have a destination without a journey, and his ex was part of his journey. Bolanle also revealed details about his current relationship status. Recall that when Bolanle Ninalowo announced his separation from his wife, an old video of him admitting to cheating and his shameful lifestyle made rounds online. The actor had addressed it, stating that he owes no one explanation for his life decision, as he is a conqueror. He shocked many when he declared that he was jubilating over the news of his marriage hitting the rocks. Bolanle Ninalowo announced his divorce from his wife and mother of his 2 kids in December. In a lengthy post on his Instagram page, the movie actor revealed that he has finally accepted the reality of the end of the road, which is necessary for a peaceful and lovable future. Bolanle listed out the several efforts he made to ensure his marriage worked out, which all proved abortive. Thank you for listening to us, and please don't forget to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like, go to the comment section and contribute. Thank you.